This is Rainfall, a long, striking, gorgeous brunette, 22 inches and 159 grams. A good gram will definitely give you some extra length, replace the need for any extensions, and so on. So the cap is 8x8. That is what most of our caps are. She is a medium to dark brown all over, not a darkest brown, and then really lovely, slightly golden, fudgy caramel type highlights all the way, weaved all the way through, very finely weaved, will look nice, straight or wavy. And then she's finished off with a little slither of a money piece right there around the front of the face. It's quite thin, so definitely you could still have a fringe or face frame and so on. It's just nice to finish off the layer with the lighter parts of the hair, definitely not the darker. So if you're looking for a long brunette and you want there to be some sort of a nice sweet colour weaved through it, but you still need the dark of the hair to go from the top to the bottom because of your own hair blending, then this is the one for you. She's a lovely piece. The caps are flawless. Let me look at that. Look how flat that is. The density. It's just showing you the base colour outside versus inside. Outside things always look a little bit ashier. Inside they'll always draw a bit more warmth. But with any 8x8 cap and a contrasting colour match is actually quite easy because your own hair will hide underneath. Any questions, please do ask.